Hey, this is Prashant, and once again, welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be dealing with one of the DOM-based exercises. So, let's start with the lab directly. Okay, let's read the problem statement. Lab contains DOM-based cross-site scripting. In the search block functionality, it uses innerhtml, which we should not use. Okay, which language do you eliminate using the okay? We need to finally trigger alert method. Okay. Let's take the link, paste it here, and see the behavior. As usual, let's try to search for something, and let's see whether it is reflecting. Yes, we can see the input, whatever input we give. Okay, now let's trigger the alert method. Okay, it didn't trigger. Let's see what is happening within the code, within the response. I mean, okay, okay, for now, let me do for that. And in the response, do I have hats? It says there is no such element, but in the page we can see hats, right? You can see hat. Let me drag this. We can see hats, but within the code there is no such term. You can see in the search filter I'm searching, but it didn't show any results. Okay, it's not the usual way we have seen, like hard coding the tag for the input element. Let me see. Okay, as it is DOM based, we need to focus on the scripts. Okay, let's keep aside this function. We will look at it whenever it is getting called. We have variable query, which is searching for a class search, and we do have a class here, and this class consists of our input as well. So the query gets stores whatever we are sending. Like if you send hats, it will getting stored. Okay, if query is not empty, it is calling this functionality. Let's see what this functionality has to offer. Okay, here again it is finding some element by id, not by class. Okay, get element by id. We need to see where is this element with this id. Okay, it is above only. You can say search message. Okay, it's an empty element, so this is empty. And at runtime, when the query the input is entered, it is filling it. Okay, I got it. So we do have a hold of this query. Whenever we give malicious thing, it will at runtime it will get this by this id and add our query within the html. Okay, add our own element here. Okay, let's see, let's add image element. Let's image element have attributes source, like from which the image should get rendered, and it has a lot of on load and on error elements. Let's use on error. Let's first search. Even I forgot the naming, whether it should be caps or small. Image tag. Okay, source is this. Okay, source we have to fill. So to trigger error, we should not give a correct domain. So I will give some random string. So it triggers an error. So we need error attribute, error event attributes. Go to event attributes and see if we find any error. Okay, we have error attribute. Okay, on error. If the source is not valued one, it will trigger this on error event attribute. And here we can call our method. Okay, on error should be enclosed is okay. Okay, this is the modified input. Just copy it and paste it over here. Cool. Okay, the lab is solved. We can see the alert method is triggering. Thank you for watch. So, see here you can see we added image tag, right? If we give a correct domain, the image will be rendered here, and the onload method won't trigger because we gave correct. If you want, we can see type for any image, open it in new tab, open it in new tab. It is okay. I can copy this thing. Instead of random, I'll paste it here. You can see the alert thing is not triggering, but you can see the image. This is because earlier only we solved, so this is coming. So if you want to trigger the alert, in this case, let me go and modify this. Instead of random, we are giving a correct URL, and instead of on error, we can trigger on load. I'll copy this and paste over here. Now let's see whether the alert method is triggered or not. You can see there are a lot of ways that you need to understand what the attributes that the tag is offering for you. Anyway, thank you for watching.